Hello friends, in this today's video I will tell you step by step how to get Spotify Premium for students. So let's start this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then do it quickly. First of all, you have to open Spotify app. After that you have to top left click on your profile. Now here you have to click on Get Premium. As soon as you click on it, many premium plans will be shown in front of you. Here you have to scroll down and select the Student Premium plan. After selecting the Student Premium, here you have to add your personal information, and after that you have to make the payment for this premium plan by using your debit card. As soon as your payment is completed, you will get the Student Premium plan in Spotify. In this way you can get Student Premium plan in Spotify.